Guys, well, this year is literally gone by so quickly कि पता ही नहीं चला. We are just running doing our work and not at all taking care of ourselves, which is not good. So this festive season, I decided to love and care myself. Now in this process ना मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें try कर रही हूँ, from skin care to hair care, which I'll definitely keep you guys all posted with. Now trust me guys, मेरे बालों की जो हालत हो गई थी ना, एकदम dry and damaged. मैं solution ढूंढ रही थी. कुछ हिट थे, कुछ मिस थे, कुछ ने वर्क भी किया, बट ट्रस्ट मी द प्रोसेस वाज रियली टायरिंग. ओके, सो बहुत सारी रिसर्च के बाद में आई केम टू नो अबाउट दिस मैजिक इंग्रेडिएंट केराटिन एक्सेस. नाउ केराटिन क्या होता है? एक तरीके का प्रोटीन होता है व्हिच इज नॉर्मली लाइक फाउंड इन आवर हेयर. बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि ये मेरी न्यू फेवरेट रेंज में इन्फ्यूज्ड है, व्हिच इज L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range. Now this range has been in the market for a really long time, but I recently started using it, and let me tell you, I'm already loving every bit of it. This range has played a pivotal role in restoring my hair health. Now let me quickly share with you all my routine, जो कि literally game changer है यार, and क्या wonder किए हैं इसने by restoring my hair health. Now this Total Repair 5 range contains Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo, Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner, and Total Repair 5 Smoothening and Repairing Serum. Now this Total Repair 5 range has keratin excess, which is like the most effective beauty ingredient reduced to its smallest form. Now keratin excess ना deeply penetrate करता है hair fiber में, speeding up the repair caused by heat styling or color treatment for that matter. Now keratin ना हमारे बालों में naturally found protein होता है, which makes our hair super strong, prevents splitting at the end, and also protects our hair from extreme weather conditions. Not just that, बालों को ना frizz free बनाने के साथ साथ काफी shinier और manageable भी बनाता है. Now that you are very well aware of the ingredients, now let's quickly move on to see what my hair routine looks like. I start off by using Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo. Now इसकी consistency काफी creamy है, and look at the packaging, quite sturdy with such amazing colors, and इसकी fragrance भी काफी अच्छी है. I absolutely love using the shampoo. इसमें कोई parabens नहीं है. The best part, once I'm done washing my hair ना, ये बालों को weigh down भी नहीं करता है, which is just amazing. Then I use this Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner. Such buttery texture, इतना easily बालों में apply हो जाता है. And look at this upside down packaging, काफी convenient हो जाता है product को squeeze out करना, and बहुत सही रहता है ये. And fragrance is amazing. Personally मुझे split ends में काफी reduction दिखा है, and my hair became super soft and manageable. That's not all. This has also helped me in restoring my hair moisture. Isn't that amazing? Then I like to use Total Repair 5 Smoothening and Repairing Serum after the hair wash. Now इसकी ना spill proof packaging है, और इसका texture extremely lightweight है, और इतना जल्दी से बालों में absorb हो जाता है. Now to use this, what I like to do is simply rub this in between my palms and simply wet hair lengths पे इसको लगा देती हूँ. Amazing part, this serum contains ceramides and UV filters that instantly attaches itself to the damaged area by creating a protective shield against further damage and split ends. It also nourishes and smooths hair, makes it silky smooth, easy to comb and frizz free. Well guys, super happy to be using Total Repair 5 range in my hair care routine. Honestly, this range has made my hair a lot more manageable and healthy and super shiny. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा stress नहीं रहता. Well, cheers to the upcoming good hair days. Link to this entire range is in the description box below, so make the most of it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, खुद का ध्यान रखिए, खुद से प्यार करिए. If you have any other questions, any routines that you want me to do let me know in the comment section. Like उसको भी comments में mention करिए, और ये भी याद रखिए that I love you all so much. Bye.